This is how to schedule an appointment at the Nittany Career Cafe and how to locate it on Microsoft Teams. First, you will log on to nittanyLionCareers.psu.edu. You can click on the tab for current students and it'll prompt you to log in with your web access account. If this is your first time logging in with Nittany Lion Careers or you haven't filled out your profile, you might be prompted to answer some questions before you reach the home page. Once you do, on the left-hand side, you should see a long list of tabs. You will need to go to the Events section. Underneath Events, you will click on Workshops/Events. You can either type in Nittany Career Cafe into the search box or scroll down to your desired date that you would like to schedule an appointment. To schedule an appointment, you will click RSVP and then select a time slot that works for you. Once you have done that, you can look down underneath the description and see a link on how to access the Career Cafe. You can copy and paste that into your search bar, where it will ask you if you'd like to download the desktop app or just use your browser. Either is fine. It will then ask you if you would like to join the Nittany Career Cafe group. Once you join, you can follow the prompt on how to check in before your appointment. Other than that, you are all set. Have a happy day at the Career Cafe.